Welcome to the Information Center of International Contractors. If you enjoy what you are provided, please support us by liking and subscribing. Tender invitation for Timor-Leste Branch Roads Project. The government of the Democratic Republic of Timor-Leste, through the Ministry of Public Works, is inviting sealed bids for the performance-based maintenance of Dili, Ainaro road sections as part of the Timor-Leste Branch Roads Project, which is financed by the World Bank under IDA Credit 64880. This invitation is open to eligible bidders, and the bidding process will adhere to the International Competitive Procurement Method known as Request for Bids, RFB, as specified in the World Bank's procurement regulations. The contract duration for this project is 36 months with a defects liability period of 12 months. Interested bidders can obtain the bidding documents in English at no charge by submitting a written application or via email. Bids must be submitted before the deadline of January 30, 2025, at 3 p.m. local time, and electronic submissions will not be accepted. Late bids will be rejected, and the public opening of the bids will occur at the same date and time, allowing representatives and interested parties to attend. All bids must be accompanied by a bid security of $10,000, and the successful bidder will be required to submit a beneficial ownership disclosure form. Further information can be obtained from Mr. Hermingardo Albano Soares at the National Procurement Commission in Dili, Timor-Leste.